This is called What's in My Refrigerator. What is in my refrigerator? We have a plethora of items. We have some eggs. Looks like some Land O'Lakes margarine. Apple juice. Generic. Yellow mustard. A bottle of Nestea green tea. Something in a green tub. Some cheese dip. Yummy. Ranch dressing, a staple. Heinz ketchup. It's in your hands, America. An empty container. Sour cream. More sour cream. Leftovers. Apple butter. The forbidden zone. Hidden in the back. Lunch meats. Fruit snacks and yogurts. And the door. Sugar-free jelly, stir-fry sauce, baking soda, lime juice, cheese, relish, sugar-free jelly, taco sauce, more preserves, minced garlic, and organic salad dressing. All kinds of things in my fridge.